Hi guys, we're going to learn on how to make small simple money which can help you at school to survive without doing wrong things and focus on your work or your studies. So what you do is simple, and it's gonna be very good for you if you're studying IT. So you set up a website. After setting up a website, you open an account for Google AdSense. Google AdSense is this. It's a www.google.com/AdSense, or you can go to Google and search for Google AdSense. As a student, you can make your extra cash and stay a good life. So you're gonna read a bit about it. There's nothing much you have to. As long as you have a Gmail account, it's easier for you to apply. You apply for this, but you have to set up your website. After setting up the website, find a topic which your fellow students gonna be interested in, or anybody who can interested in. So the more visitors you're gonna get on your site, the more chances to make money. I make some small money here, but it can help me to push other things, though I'm not focusing on this money, but this money is so relevant to me. So as a student, as I'm saying, you will love this. So look how much I make it a day. So simple but so relevant. Today I made 99 rands. Yesterday it was a bad day. I made 155, and I've made this money without getting out of my house, or you won't get out of your apartment. After classes, you go back to your room, switch on your laptop, buy data, try to post, look for whatever. So I'm using two ideas. I'm posting news and I'm also posting jobs. I look for jobs and post them for people. Then I go to Facebook. I tell guys, there's a job here and there. Then that people come to my website and I start earning some small money. For a week, I managed to make this. This is what I've made this week. And this month so far, I've made 2,000 rands. And today is the what? Is the 12th of this month. You can see. So in 12 days, I managed to make at least 2,000 rands. So if as a student you can make 2,000 rands in each and every 12 days, it means you're gonna sit on close to 5 point something each month. So you can even manage to pay your school fees. You can manage to buy your own clothes. You can manage to help on your parents not to have that much pressure, like they have to look for food for you, they have to buy you clothes at school, they have to buy you food and books and all that. Please try to do this in your spare time, and if you need some help, you can guys, you can do what, you can comment there. I'll send you my email and I'll help you on how to do things. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you want me to help you with something else, you can tell me. And this is the website. I post things. It's googleboy.co.za and also howtostay.co.za. You don't have to come with a new idea. You can do the same ideas I'm doing, then you start making money. Guys, thanks for watching, and this is gonna be the end of our video. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, share the video, comment, and let us know what you feel, or there's something which I didn't explain well. Tell us, and we're gonna show you that in the next video. Thanks guys.